The Volvo Si6 3.0 engine, also known as the B6304T, is one of the most interesting and refined engines ever produced by the Swedish automaker. Found in models like the Volvo XC60, XC70, S80, and XC90 from the late 2000s to mid-2010s, this power plant represents a bridge between Volvo's traditional inline-six engineering and the modern turbocharged era. Despite being powerful and smooth, the Si6 3.0 has its fair share of quirks and weak points that every current or future owner should know about. Let's break down how this engine works, what makes it special, and what problems tend to appear over time. The Volvo Si6, short inline-six, was developed as a compact six-cylinder engine that could fit transversely under the hood of front-wheel drive models, something that traditional inline-six designs struggled with. To achieve this, Volvo engineers cleverly moved the accessories, like the alternator and power steering pump, behind the engine, driven by gears instead of belts, which made the entire unit shorter and more compact. The 3.0-liter version, B6304T, was introduced in 2008 and featured a single twin-scroll turbocharger delivering smooth, linear power. Output varied slightly by model, but typically ranged from 281 to 304 horsepower and 295 to 325 pound-feet of torque. It used an all-aluminum block and head, DOHC, with variable valve timing on both cams and direct fuel injection. Power was sent through a 6-speed Aisin automatic transmission, often paired with Volvo's AWD system. In everyday use, the Si6 3.0 is praised for its refinement, torque delivery, and long-lasting build quality. It's a perfect example of Volvo's engineering philosophy, balance between power, comfort, and safety. However, this complex design also introduced a few maintenance challenges. Oil leaks are one of the most widespread problems with this engine. They often originate from the oil filter housing, camshaft seals, or the rear main seal. Over time, heat and pressure cause seals to harden and fail. Some owners also report moderate oil consumption, especially after 100,000 miles, often caused by worn piston rings or clogged PCV, positive crankcase ventilation systems. Regular PCV service is crucial to prevent this. The single twin-scroll turbo is efficient but not indestructible. With age, the wastegate actuator may start to stick, causing boost fluctuations or power loss. Excessive heat and oil coking can also shorten turbo lifespan. Symptoms include whistling noises, smoke from the exhaust, or poor acceleration. Many owners proactively replace the turbo around 150,000 miles as a preventive measure. The cooling system can be another headache point. The thermostat housing and plastic coolant fittings are known to crack or leak over time. A failed thermostat can cause the engine to overheat or run too cold, impacting performance and fuel economy. Always monitor coolant levels and replace the thermostat and expansion tank if any leaks appear. Because Volvo designed this engine with a unique rear-mounted accessory drive, it relies on precision gear systems rather than traditional belts. Although it's a clever packaging solution, if one component fails, like the tensioner or gear bearings, repairs can be complex and expensive. Unusual whining noises or vibrations from the rear of the engine are early warning signs. Like many direct injection engines, the Si6 3.0 suffers from carbon buildup on intake valves, which can reduce airflow and cause misfires, rough idle, or poor fuel economy. Cleaning the intake system every 60 to 80,000 miles helps maintain smooth performance. Additionally, fuel injectors may clog or leak with age, leading to hard starts or engine hesitation. Although not directly part of the engine, the Aisin TF80SC transmission and Haldex AWD coupling can develop issues if neglected. Old transmission fluid can lead to harsh shifts, while dirty Haldex filters can cause AA malfunctions. Regular fluid changes are key to keeping the Si6 powertrain healthy. Despite these issues, the Volvo Si6 3.0 engine has proven to be one of the more durable turbocharged six cylinders of its era. With proper maintenance, these engines can easily exceed 200,000 miles without major internal failures. The key factors for longevity include changing oil every 5,000 to 7,000 miles using high-quality synthetic oil, servicing the PCV and cooling systems regularly, monitoring turbo performance and oil leaks, cleaning intake valves periodically. Owners often praise the engine for its smoothness, strong mid-range torque, and quiet operation, describing it as a hidden gem among European six-cylinders.